Today, I'm going to show you how you may be able to get Google AI Plus free for 12 months. The regular plan costs around $5 per month, or roughly $60 per year. So getting access for an entire year can save you a decent amount of money. And there's one more important thing I'll show you at the end: how to make sure you don't accidentally get charged once the free period is over. So let's get straight into it. Google AI Plus gives you access to several premium benefits. Depending on the offer available to your account, these can include additional cloud storage, higher usage limits inside Gemini, access to Google's AI tools, additional features inside Gemini, and credits that can be used across supported Google AI services. First, to follow the process practically with me, you need to open this website. I'll leave its link in the video description. But if you follow the steps on the website normally, it may eventually tell you that you're not eligible for the offer. To avoid this problem, go to the top of your browser and open an incognito private browsing window. Whether you're using a phone or a computer, the steps are exactly the same. Open the same website again, then choose something called Continue with Google. It will ask you to enter your Google email, then continue through the steps. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. In the number field, I'll enter any random 10 digits. For the city, choose Delhi, India. Then choose your gender and any languages. That part doesn't matter. Now focus on this part, because this is where the mistake happens that can stop the account from working. Here, select College Student. Choose the course shown here. For the university name, this is very important. Choose the University of Delhi. Select that exact university name. For the stream/field of study, you can choose anything. For the academic year, choose 2026 through 2031. Then click Next. At this step, it will ask you to select some interests. Just choose a few random interests, then click Next. By the way, the offer has already appeared at the top, but let's finish the remaining steps. Make any selection here, then choose Finish Automatically. It will direct you to this page and tell you that you've received the free Gemini offer. You can either click here, or if you don't see it, click Free Gemini Access at the top. You'll see the offer appear, along with the Claim Now button. Keep in mind that you need to use incognito/private browsing for this to work. If you use a normal browser window, it may not work, and the option may not appear. It may tell you that you're not eligible for the offer. Click Claim Now. You'll notice it says you'll receive 12 months completely free. Choose Start Free. It will take you to this screen. I'll also show you shortly how to remove your payment card so you don't get charged after the full year is over. Click Start Trial. It will then ask you to add your payment card. You can add any card that supports payments in US dollars. Enter the card information and security code. If you're using a mobile phone, you may also be able to pay through mobile carrier billing. And that's it. Congratulations, the account is now available. The Plus plan is active, along with all the benefits of the paid account. I also want to emphasize a very important point. If the offer doesn't work for you for any reason, try creating a completely new Gmail account from scratch and use that account. If it still doesn't work for some reason, turn on a VPN and connect from Internet. Now, if you want to cancel the subscription so that you are not charged after the year ends, click on your account and choose Manage Your Google Account. Then go to Google Wallet and Subscriptions. You'll see your card information there. Click on the card, scroll all the way down, and choose Remove Payment Method. However, to be transparent, it may refuse to remove the payment method and tell you that you need to add another card first. If you don't want to add another card, use the second method instead. Go back and choose the option to manage your subscription. Open Manage Subscriptions and select the Google One subscription. It will automatically open the subscription page. Scroll all the way down with the mouse and choose Cancel Subscription. It will ask why you want to cancel. Choose any reason and continue. Pay attention here. It will tell you that your subscription will be canceled at the end of the billing period, meaning on August 4th, 2027. The subscription will not renew, which is exactly what I want. Click Cancel Subscription. It will confirm that the subscription has been successfully canceled. The subscription will still remain active until August 4th, 2027, which is 12 months. If you benefited from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you receive all the new content. There are even better things coming soon. See you next time.